Yeah, hey, these days, bad bitches are a headache. Got so many now, I feel I need a fucking paramedic. But when you broke, ugly hoes on that BS2. Playing games, ho, fuck your Xbox and PS2. But that was then, this is now, man. Funny how the times change, ass that fat. I can fuck with them kind of migraines. Plus, it's a plus if she come with some double D's. And she know my top flow is gonna love her knees. Top of the covers, lights on, never under sheets. Learn that from the pimp, I'm a prince. I learned from under kings. And UGK, them niggas put me on a lot of things. So I'm a dream bigger than poke bones and collard greens. They said that I would never make it with that hesitating. And now I'm on top of the world here just levitating. I'm hotter than the devil's apron when the devil's baking. Me and them are miles apart, so peep the separation. Cause if my God ever gets an iPod, I know he placing me on this playlist entitled Heaven's Favorite. It's like they not hearing them. The slow and steady wins the race. I'm lapping niggas like them fucking Nigerians or them Kenyans or wherever they from. I get no joy in seeing you niggas here when it's home. Cause if you don't look, how can you say you saw the Messiah or be in agreement with your bitch when she calling me sire? So go hit both knees, give me respect that I'm due. Pay Sammy in advance so I can have my check when I'm through. And these girls is better off without me. I might as well be the one to out me. They say the world's better off without me, but I don't know what you heard about me. But I earn my check, the sex that I get, tryna fuck with either one, and boy, you better off. Please, don't make me do the unthinkable like Alicia. Go to the trunk and make that chopper sing like Aretha. Promise you R-E-S-P-E-C-T it, guarantee it, nigga. U-N-D-E-E-P shit. Cause any nigga that try me now is dearly departed. No need for me to deny why I'm clearly retarded. Yeah, shout but shout it, chillin' with a Glock out it, feeling real charitable. Plenty bullets to donate, spend that money till it's all gone. Lil nigga, but I know I feel bigger when that heater sitting on your jawbone. That Jada can't save you, no, hold on. Niggas make it rain, I make it full. I'm about to get my Noah's Ark on. Comparing them to me, it's like a giant to a leprechaun or a human being in toilet tissue they stepping on. Cause I go very hard. Throw your fucking friends in the river, want them back? Go fish, no deck of cards, real life. No time to deal with most you rookies. Killing snitches, fucking bitches, killing both of them pussies. Least them bitches still have breath. I'm me until my last breath. I'm authentic, they fraudulent like a bad check. Watch that money trickle down, nigga. I'm the prize horse, triple crown winner. Yo, bitch fixing my dinner right before I pin her. Trade her, then send her later to you to buy them hair and nails. You know, renovator, wasn't how I was brought up. You niggas getting caught up in that sweet shit, but you should be on that more like me shit. Boy, stop, let me quit. It's no secret. You staring at the legend, nowhere near an ocean, but you see sick. He sick,